Today we will show you how we can start WinCC runtime and the Siemens SCADA. So this is the TI15. I'm just working with the TI15. So it's opening. TI15 is a very big software, so it needs little bit time to start the project. So my PLC is already connected. I just create a new project and I'm just giving the name of the project, WinCC. You can name anything as you wish. This is not a big deal. That is your wish. What you want to give the name. WinCC just 3 because 1 2 is already there. So I am just making it 3. Then it's working. It's taking few minutes. Okay, now just click the configure a device, add new device, just controller, and my PLC is connected with the S7-1200, so I'm just selecting the S7-1200 CPU. I'm just first select the unspecified CPU. Okay, unspecified CPU and add. Okay, so just a blank CPU selected. I'm just select the detect. While I select the detect, it will automatically search the PLC and it will find it. Just click the start search. It get the PLC, just click the detect. So the PLC will be selected automatically. Okay, now PLC is okay. I'm just creating a program. This is the program. Okay, first I can add some tags, or also I can do in different way. Here is the tag, PLC tag. I'm just adding some tags. I'm just first add tag, uh, switch on, push switch. Okay, and tag table, default tag boolean. Just select it M0, not M0. If I want to turn it on, I must select M0.0. I can on with the M0.0 only. With the I cannot use the I cannot start from the HMI. Push switch, this is the motor, and same boolean. I can select it the not M, this is the output Q0.0. Okay, that's it. So I'm just clicking save. So main program blocks, I'm just writing a program. So I'm writing push switch, and output motor. Okay, that's it. Just 2 line programs. If I press this one, it will on. If I release this, it will off. Okay, I'm just clicking save, and I'm just making it compile. Compile hardware and software change. Compile is okay. Compile. Now I can make it download. This is the PLC part. PLC part is okay. Okay, now click the load. Continue that synchronization, and this is the stop all, because to download the program I now first need to stop the program. Okay, now finish. The module will start. Okay, this part is okay. Now I will go to the I will add the PC system, that means runtime. So first click the PC general and the PC station, just add it. Okay, now I will just add 2 things. One is communication module, that means I will connect with the Ethernet communication. So I need this Ethernet adapter. If I click, where it will be adjust, it will just show, just drag and drop. Okay, then I need a runtime symmetric controller. Okay, okay, this is the runtime. WinCC runtime professional. Just I am adding the runtime professional. It needs few minutes because a lot of items inside this, so it needs a few items. Okay, So this is already done. Now I will just click the network view. Okay, if you click here, I can say that there is no subnet. I just click on subnet. On subnet is there, and for the Ethernet address, this address must be my computer address. I am showing the computer address. Okay, change the data option. My computer address is 192.168.0.21, this one. Okay, I need the same address here, otherwise it will not connect with my I'm just making it 21. So this is my computer address actually, and that's it. I'm just making it save project. Finally click the network view. You will see that two items is there. I just need to connect them. I can delete this one because this one no need. I just connect from there to there. So this is connected. Make sure click the sync domain so it will be sync with the connection. Okay, so to make the connection, there is another option must be checked. Okay, I just adding a screen. This is the adding a screen. Just one screen is added. I click the screen and click it in the define as first screen. It will work as a first screen. Okay, so this is the screen. I'm just giving few buttons, elements. I'm just adding a button and I'm just adding a output. Okay, so this is just a toggle button. I can say that this is the toggle button. Click the properties, uh, general. You can change the name. This is the button. Okay, and click events. Just here must be click and add function. Just edit bits, invert bits means if we click one time then it will off, and a second time it will off. So just click PLC tags, default tags, push switch. Okay, that's it. Now click here. This will just show like animation and display, add new animation. You can say that appearance, and appearance just click the tag name. This is PLC tag. This is the motor actually. So when it is on 0 then it will show black. When it is on you can see that it will be green, like that. It will be green. You can make it red while it is off. It depends on you. This is not actually a big deal. So just save the project and making it compile again. Okay, compile finish, and now I just go to the uh, total compile. Okay, now I just check the connection. If I check the connection, you will see that S7-1200 connection is there. So just okay, while we press the connection, you will see that TCP IP is there. Just you must change this. Just set automatically off and select this Realtek family controller TCP IP auto. If you do this, this will work fine. Okay, now I just press save, and now I can check the simulation. Now if I click this button, this will show. This is just meant on and off. Okay, okay, it's working fine. So I'm just going. Okay, now we can just download it. You can download to device and just select a target where the file will be available. I'm just saving the file in the HMI photo, and WinCC 12. I'm making a file WinCC 3. Just it's your wish where we're going to. HMI photo WinCC 3. Okay, now I just load. Select this load. Now the file will be okay, and you don't need the project file to run this. Just only you can run this folder. That will be okay. Just I am showing you how this works. Okay, the EA is complete. Now it's working fine. And now I can just close this project, and this project no need. I can just open the runtime file from there. WinCC and the WinCC3 is there. And this is my PC station, and this is all the file that need to run the SCADA, and this is the PC station. You can stop the runtime from here. The runtime is just close. And if I want to just on the runtime, just you can click, or you can just make it auto start, and auto start project if I select, and if I show this will automatically start the file, and I can just instantly start with the play button. The WinCC runtime is running, and it's showing file. It's working fine. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you so much.